Hello foodies, welcome to Foodland. Today's recipe is healthy recipe that I'll be showing you. This is a makhana, which is lotus seeds or fox nuts. They are rich in proteins and fiber, low in fat. Lotus seeds are nutrient dense, which helps our heart health, weight loss, preventing skin damages, fighting anemia, managing our blood sugar levels and blood pressure. So I hope you make this super easy, super quick recipe and enjoy these as a snack item throughout the day. Dry roast these makhanas or lotus seeds until it crisps out like this in a big vessel like this. Add peanuts, cashews, almonds, and these dry roasted coconuts. Just mix it well in about 1 tablespoon of oil. I have also added dry red chilies. These are totally optional. Adding about half tablespoon of pink salt, which is Himalayan pink salt. You can use regular salt. Also adding about 1.5 tablespoons of chaat masala. Mix it well. And time to add our makhanas. I have also added pinch of turmeric and some sprinkle of red chili powder. Mix it well. I have added a couple pinches of sugar and dry roasted cumin powder. Mix it well and our makhana is ready. And here is my nutrition rich lotus seeds, which is makhana recipe. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching and do try it at home. Enjoy this as a snack item throughout the day or just with your coffee or tea. All in all, it's a perfect snack for kids at school or you at office. If you like this recipe, please share, like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.